How to use KFC coupons online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in KFC coupons and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, grab on. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for KFC. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the deals. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how to get coupons for KFC. So head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. You're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, copy it and head towards the website of KFC. Once you're in the KFC website, what you have to do is log into your account, browse through the menus, select the items that you want to order and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in the copied code and then confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for KFC. So this way you can easily use KFC coupons online. This was really simple and quick process. Likewise, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you coupon code for KFC. So this way you can easily redeem KFC promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.